Thank you for watching another 702 motoring video. What we've got today is a 2001 Harley Road King. Very, very special bike. Lots of chrome. It's very shiny. Road Kings, as most of you know, that they don't have a radio in them. So most people use a Bluetooth controller and then design your stereo, your speakers, and your amplifier from that point on. So on this bike here, we've got some 4-inch speakers up front. And in the rear, we've put two pairs of the CERWIN Vega PH694 6x9s. So it's two pairs of 6x9s. Definitely going to make up for any lack of sound in the front. We're using a Diamond Audio DXM 6-channel amplifier. That's what everything looks like. If you want to get a closer look, we've dynamited the bags. Get some extra bass out of the 6x9s. 6x9s have special crossovers that go from the horns. Here's your Diamond Audio 6-channel amp. Our disconnects. Some more great YouTube music. So we close these bags up here. We'll listen to what this baby sounds like. wanted to scream a little bit during that video so you can hear the difference between my voice and actual music. We're not using a meter on this bike because it's not a bike that we're trying to get maximum sound level out of. Customer wanted just a good quality sound system that he's going to be able to hear at 70, 90 miles an hour, and I don't think he's going to have a problem with that. You know, it'd be nice if we could put a little bigger speakers in the front, you know, but actually those fours, they work really good. They're coaxials, they work really good. There's not a whole lot you can do up there, and didn't want to put any shallow horns up there by themselves, although we've done that, but want to give a full range sound in this motorcycle here. So this is a 2001 Harley Road King. Beautiful looking bike. It's gonna be a happy customer tomorrow. It's gonna be a happy, happy customer. All right, 702 Motoring Las Vegas. We ship nationwide. Diamond Audio, Cerwin Vega, Hertz, all the good brands. Rockford Fosgate. We've got it all in stock. Everything here. 702 Motoring, LasVegas.com. We'll put a link in the description. And please subscribe and like this video and ring that bell icon, and you'll be notified on our new videos. We're going to get a little more aggressive putting some new videos up. YouTube gives us a little hard time sometimes, but do the best you can. 702 Motoring Las Vegas. Happy Labor Day, everybody.